Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot number of people does not know that there are some apps and websites that spy on their Facebook account, and as a result of that, their information can be linked in the dark web, and as a result of that, they can lose access to their Facebook account because from there, hacker might hack their Facebook account as a result of giving these websites and apps permission on their Facebook account to spy on them. So if you really want to remove any apps or website that is spy you on your Facebook account, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you simply get it done. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Facebook app. And having opened up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this profile icon from the top corner right here. So click on that. It take you right here. Then simply scroll down and then make sure you look for settings and privacy. So click on that. Then it take you right here. Then go to settings. Then take you right here. Then go to privacy checkup. It's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is go to your data settings on Facebook. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on continue. So it's going to take you right here. So under apps and websites, here are the apps and websites from other companies you have used Facebook to log into and have recently used. You can remove any that you no longer want to use. So for you to remove any one of them, what you need to do is to simply tap on remove right here. Removing Creative Fabric Social. So what you need to do is to simply click on remove right here. It's as simple as that. You can remove as many as possible right here in order to protect your Facebook account from being hacked and in order to protect your data and information to be linked into other websites. It's as simple as that. So maintain your privacy and protect your security should be much more concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.